Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Behind the Counter. We drop these every Tuesday. Thanks for everyone that's tuning in and liking, subscribing and following. It means a lot because these take ages to make. But yeah, thanks for following the journey. Thanks for following us.
Stu's off.
We're off for a buying trip. Nice and early in the morning. Fill these up. We'll show you what we get.
See you next week, man. It's times two. Alright, let's open this. The backbreaker. These are jorts. Let's see. Full box of jorts, just in time for summer. All colours, mostly Wrangler in these. Everyone's loving the Wrangler at the moment, so we just decided to get a whole bunch of them. All different colorways. But yeah, these will be all hitting the website. Full box of jorts. Let's go, summertime.
It's intern Seabell Cam. What are we working on, Brooke?
Your resignation.
I'll hand it in today.
Yeah.
And then
You
how
probably
we
don't need to hand it in.
how
You
we
can
have
just
fun
leave.
without me.
It's a pretty fun environment today.
You said I was your favorite in the past 2 videos.
You are my favourite.
All right, that's enough of you.
Mystery book.
So Tyler,
Say
tell
hi
us.
to Ollie.
Don't say hi to me, mate.
Dude.
Trust someone with a Frank Green wall. Cutting hair.
First customer in the store.
Smells real nice in here. Smells lovely.
Anyone see my last TikTok me giving a whiff of all the clothes?
Narcissist, stop talking about yourself.
Isn't that just obsessed with yourself? No, isn't narcissist like,
Smell it, mate.
where's that Frank Green bottle? Hey Brooke, can you show us a hack on how to get oil stains off? Behind the scenes of the TikTok that we're gonna make, a bit of more of an educational one.
How to get oil stains out.
Yeah, more of an educational one. So we get followers on TikTok.
Follow us on TikTok.
Follow us on TikTok. We'll give you all the information of how to do all the cleaning stuff. NFL jerseys at this stage, probably not like.
Meeting in the sun.
Well, you
Good
look
lighting.
calm. Hey YouTube, how are you going?
It's Friday fun day.
Friday fun day, Seabell's here.
Interns here. Weekly recap.
Weekly recap.
What have you been doing without me? Probably nothing.
Weekly recap. Stu's been away. And then yeah, Stu's been away. Me and Brooke have just been doing the basics, to be honest.
Holding down
Day
the
to
fort.
day, holding down the fort. It's been rainy all week, so it's nice to have some sun.
Nice sunny day today. We're thinking about getting some stools out here.
Yeah, get a bench out here so
You
we can
know,
just like
A couple of
kick
those
back.
milk crates
Do
to
these
kick
ones.
back. Yo, that's a good 90-degree angle.
So we haven't really been filming too much this week just because Stu's been away. We're still on sale, so it's been a massive week just trying to pack orders and try to keep up with it as well. But yeah.
Finished a week of picking, so I'll show you guys what I got. Okay, so I got some of the bags on the bed, all ready to have a look. I'll show you what's in them. Nice Nike tee. So this bag's all Nike t-shirts. We're just bringing them back to the store just to restock for next week, put them into new drops. So heaps of nice ones in here. You can see that alright. Some nice Nike spell out, sports team Nike, Red Sox middle swoosh, and just embroidered chest swoosh. Look pretty nice. So I'll go through a few more. Here's a few different colorways. of the swooshes. A few nice ones in there. And these should be going up on the website next week. Soccer, nice blue colourway. Got heaps of ticks coming back. That's a cool one. Honolulu Marathon 98. It's got a back hood on that one as well. Which you can't really see. Yeah, very nice. And this is another cool one, a race day staff. Just a marathon tee as well.
You're back. There's a few people in the store. So.
I'm wrecked.
What have we got here, Stu?
Oh, these ones I might have done already.
What else have you got in here?
Just all it is. No,
Just Nike stuff.
just Nike. Nike on Nike on.
Fantastic, mate.
All right, welcome back to another episode of Behind the Counter, where we kind of get into what we did over the past week. Maybe we didn't film everything, but Tyler, do you want to get into that?
Yep, so we did probably one of the first sales we've done this year. It was a 20% off sale. We're pretty much packing orders all weekend. You're away on a buying trip this week. Do you want to go through that, Stu?
Yeah, so this week I packed 2,000 tees, about 1,800 sweaters, got plenty of Nike, jorts, Alana, World Cup soccer. So exciting to get all that back into store next week.
We also were talking about the website in last week's episode. Any updates on that?
Yeah, so we're doing a lot of the back end stuff at the moment, still getting booked, but the front end's looking really nice. Going to send out an email tonight as well.
See you next week. Peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe button. We drop these every Tuesday, 4 p.m. So yeah, see you next week.
All right, I'll start it.
Yeah, go.
All right, welcome back to another episode of Behind the Counter, another catch-up episode.